Hi, it's Denise, My Real Estate. I've got this beautiful 2-bedroom unit here at the 258 located in Uptown New Westminster. It's on the 10th floor. It's got a wraparound deck, corner unit, southwest corner. You see Fraser River, Mount Baker. I can't wait to show you around. You've got a great 2-bedroom here located here in New Westminster. This unit has a beautiful view with a wraparound deck. And the highlight of this home is look at the efficient layout. You've got your kitchen, your dining room, and your living room all efficiently laid out in one spot. Plus, if you were thinking about enjoying a nice cocktail, you can step out here into your patio and enjoy all year round. This is the highlight of this unit. You've got a southwest corner wraparound deck that has views, views, and views. You're located in Uptown, an amazing water view to your right and even to your left. City, everything that you want. You can even have your barbecued out here, beautiful patio set, even a pitch and putt. What more can you ask for? Because this unit is centrally located in Uptown, you're located right by SkyTrain, amenities, shops, and more. If you want to take a look at this home, let me know. My name is Denise Mai. I'm more than happy to arrange a private viewing with you.